What is up, traders? Hope you guys are doing well. Figured I'd get on for market open. We have less than a minute, like 30 seconds till market open. I'm going to trade a few evals here and try to see if we can come up with something. Count on 119. Nice little rip to the upside to start out. Prophet, just subscribe. Welcome to the stream, Prophet. Welcome to the channel. All right, I'm a little tired this morning, so bear with me. Let's take our time. Are we selling at the top or are we buying at the top? No clue, man. No clue. It's a very bullish market right now. So I feel like best play is to go with the trend at the moment. But that is not financial advice. But welcome in, Lost Pennies. Hope you're doing well. For all of you that are part of my Discord, if you're part of my Discord, you probably saw me call this play here. The trade here, I was in the trade a little early, I think around the 680-ish mark, but I don't remember exact. But this candle right here, I called a long move to the upside, and I banked hard yesterday on it. So if you're part of my Discord, you saw that I called this trade. Let me pull it down here for you. Here's the image. This little candle here to the upside. That was before we have all this stuff that we have now. But anyway, the trade worked out great. Hope you didn't miss it. But if you did, make sure you join the Discord. You won't miss any more. I don't put a lot of trade alerts on the Discord. Only when I'm pretty positive, 99.99999% sure that it's gonna rise to the top. But we're looking pretty bullish right now. Lost Pennies, or sorry, Trading Baron. How's it going, man? I'm doing good, man. How are you? Lost Pennies said, remember the market spend 85% of the time going bull and you getting into a short. The biggest move already happened. Probably have taken big points on short long-term data. Yeah, I agree. I'm waiting it out because of the news. And we have news at 10. And we are very close to a holiday. Big position size, great position on the market. Don't forget the option contract. You know, when we're at the top, I size down. So, I mean, that's kind of what I do. If we have like a huge dip here, like we did here, I'm sizing up a little bit more. Because you're right, the market historically moves to the upside. We're at all-time highs. The market has never been at 22,985 until today. Pretty cool. We're watching history be made. I like to think that it's pretty neat. I am in a long position on my funded futures account. Sorry, my Top Step account. I'm also going to take a long here and hope that this is just a nice little bull flag pullback. I'm going to give it a little more room though. My stop is set to 50 ticks. Lost pennies. My time shortened any move on the market is very minimal because of probably long-term data. Yeah. Trading Baron up 7K on USD CAD pump. Nice, man. Nice. I'm going to take my few points there. What did we make on that? Beautiful. My P&L is pretty small right now. I haven't really been wanting to trade much. I'm really tired. And I'm worried about volume because of the holiday. So market closes in like 2 hours on it. Let's see. 3 hours, 30 minutes. I'm super tired today. I'm going to take another long position here, and I'm actually going to take it funded because 18 looks like a good second bull flag forming. I'm just looking for quick scalps, especially on my funded. 2 to 5 points today, not looking for much, just because I'm nervous. Not a fan of holiday markets. Don't do that. How big of a pullback is this? Or are we reversing and coming down? Jeez, Nasdaq. Take a funded trade and you start going the opposite direction. No bueno. I'm going to add one just because we're so low, and I'm leaving my stop loss where it's at. So come on back up. We're going to get stopped out. Wasn't terrible, but fun to trade, gone bad. Coming down in the short term. Pull back on the 5 minute. Looks like on the 30 minute as well. Five seconds left of this candle. Coming down for the fair value gap. Yeah, it ends about right here then, huh? 940. We might have actually hit a top for now. Do we go up from here or do we go back down? That's my question. And what I'm trying to figure out. On the 30 minute, we have like a 40-point wick forming. So, that could signal that we're coming down. I mean, on the 5 minute, we've got two 10-point wicks, or actually almost 20 points. These wicks here. See what I mean? I mean, who knows how long, but I feel like we're coming down a little bit. I'm not willing to risk it at this point, but not yet. Not yet, not yet. put in just a little bit of light here. It's too much. It's hurting my head. We're going back up. Come on. If we get denied up here again, then I don't know. Probably coming back down. But I feel like we're going up, so we'll see. I'll risk about 10 points here. This is a funded trade, so really need this to go up. All right, Nasdaq, do something good here. We're just one contract. Should have traded a micro, to be honest with you. It's rejecting exactly what I didn't want to happen. Give it just a little bit more room here. Probably a bad idea. Kind of looks like a bull flag on the 5 minute. And then just need it to go up. I mean a bear flag, sorry. Still 3 minutes left of this candle here. It's got upside potential on the 1 minute. I'll de-risk here soon. Don't reject. Keep going. Go ahead and de-risk. She pops that back down below this, I'm out. I'm going to go ahead and set to break even. And yeah, well, that happened fast. Jump back in. Wasn't expecting that quick of a drop. Got me twice. Can we break these highs? That's the big question. Beautiful leg up. Let's go. I'm 2 contracts long at the moment. Pretty confident this can leg up here. There's a nice big bullish candle in the 1 minute. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Bad idea, but I like bad ideas sometimes. That was a really horrible idea. Maybe it'll save me here. I do like some risky moves, that's for sure. I feel like it can come up. I wouldn't have done it otherwise. So probably needed to size down more than anything, but no risk, no reward. Look at that. 30 seconds left of this candle and it's still going back down. I need you to close high, sir. Nasdaq, let's go. She looks like she can pop to the upside, don't she? Bull flag. All right, leg up. Leg up. Come on. Leg up. I need like a $400 or $500 trade here. Come on, come on. Nice, nice, nice. Keep going. I think we can do it. Come on, let's go. All right, de-risking and climbing. I'm gonna buy in one more time here, just one contract though this time. So I'm pretty positive she can pop. If we can get through these highs, 100% hit that take profit right there. Trading Baron, let's go. Yes, I agree. Nasdaq, she needs to rip. Have y'all ever had milk chocolate caramel sea salt almonds? Wow, these things are amazing. Really hope this is just a pullback. It literally touched our take profit almost. Or our stop loss, sorry. Normally I add a contract whenever we're down there just in case that happens, but she wants to pop. We have 23 seconds left of this candle here. Look at that. We almost hit our take profit. Sometimes you can just feel it, that it wants to pop. And there it was. We made like I don't even know how much money we made on that trade. Let's just look at the recap here. Made like almost $500. Beautiful. I was already down 200, so here's our funded account. Trade file number 18, because I've blown 14 others. Pretty sad, I know. All right, so one funded account at 300. Another funded account at 40. That's not good. Need more than that. Where's my Take Profit Pro? All right, this one's at 55. All right, 18, you're done. I'm going to leave that one alone. Funded 16. I got 1, 2. Got a few that I need to trade, but only if. Wait, was that 10 o'clock news? No, it wasn't. That wasn't 10 o'clock news. That was. Just check out Financial Juice. I don't know what it was, to be honest, but we're back at this same thing again, so switch up a different account here and take a trade. Another funded account real quick. Not going to risk much, just going to try to make little bit of monies. Making new highs, Nasdaq. I'm up $575 right now in my Top Step account. I'm gonna go ahead and set a stop and just trail it. Maybe it'll go away soon. Set this to break even. $4. Come on. $38. At least we're in the green. That's all I care about. Look at that, 715. Wow. Well, that trade's over with. We made like $700 on it. So on the 4 hour. Wow, missed a big move too. Another one, like I said. It was the same exact setup here. I love these setups. Missed it. Now you can expect a pullback and pop back through maybe. I don't know. We'll see. Retrace that wick. We have 5 seconds left of this candle, so hopefully it pops up just a little bit. And I don't like that wick, that's for sure. As soon as we hit green, I'm out. I'm actually going to de-risk heavy. She looks like she could possibly retrace that wick. Go, baby, go. Go, go, go. Come on, get back to the green. That's okay. We're down 55 on that account. Try it one more time. Keep our stop loss at the bottom of that candle wick. Nice little leg up. Need more, need more. Come on, Nazi. I hate when I do that. All right, guaranteed $110. Sweet. That was 16, so we're at $50 on that one. I'm gonna stop trading funded and work on my evals. Let's go ahead and buy the market on this one with that eval because we are ready to push. Your maximum position limit. What? One contract. Oh, this is a 25. I didn't even realize I was trading a funded account. To be honest with you. Must have hit the wrong button. That was my straight to funded Tradeify. Which one was I going for? Apex. I think it was 117 also, yeah. That's why I got confused. Looking for 117. Oh. I didn't know you could only use one contract on a 25K. Let's just check. This is an eval, so I'm trading a little more risky, so ignore that. All right, so max contracts, 1 mini, 10 micros. Did not know that. That's okay, though. No big deal. No big deal. It's funny, though. I thought it was a... she might actually come down from here. Yeah, I thought it was a eval, but it wasn't. So far, so good. P&L's looking okay. Nothing to run home to mom about. That's for sure. Nice. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What happened there? Go back up. That was like $1,000. Jeez. $1,000 trade. I'll take it. Wow. Where's the take profit when you need one? I don't use them. They're there, but they're set pretty high. The take profit's usually way up there. What account was this? 117? What happened? Oh, that's the take profit. Where's it at? Apex 117. Yeah, $715. We're like 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, $400 away from passing that. That was news right there. Didn't even notice news was happening. So like into the zone here. Wasn't paying attention. That went in my favor, but it never worked out like that. All right, I need to trade my funding ticks eval if I can find it here. All right, I'm just gonna put a long position for now. I'm not trading with anything in mind. I mean, we're way up here, and I guess we could pull back, but I don't know. I need a trading day on it. Look at that. We're up $10. Now we're down 150. Let's go ahead and DCA. Maybe it's just a pullback. Hopefully it's just a pullback. Let's go. What's up, Cave? Long time no see, sir. Just kidding. Got most of our fundeds out of the way with a couple trades, and now I'm trading some evals. I don't know how long you've been watching, but welcome back, sir. It's good to have you. Are we going to print out a bull flag here? Let's go, Nasdaq. I was going to break even trade this, but just to get it green. Need some coffee. Yeah, I do too, man. I need like a Red Bull or something. All right, we're bull flag printing. I'm going to go ahead and take this trade again. based on a bull flag. Let's go ahead and put a few contracts in. Rip. Set to break even and hope it climbs up. All right. Better than nothing. Go one more. Clean action. Yeah, it's been pretty good. Surprisingly, I didn't expect it to be this good, being that we have a holiday tomorrow. 2 contracts long, once again. Market closes at 12 too, so come on, baby. Go, 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 go. This is the move that I was expecting and the move we got. Cool. We made just under $400 on those last couple of trades. And I'm trying to see if there's anything else I need to trade. Really, no. Got my take profits in for the day. Hey, if you have any take profit evals, you might want to get them traded. I'm like $300 shy of passing this account, so I'd like to see it pass. Two contracts long. Lost Penny said, I always remember this. When having a holiday 2 days before the holiday, market always starts repositioning large size slowly. Yeah. Typically, we don't have this much price action. From my experience, from what I remember. But maybe I don't remember correctly. Yo, G, what's up? Nils Kaufman. How you doing, brother? Welcome back. All right. Keep going, baby. I just need like $300. Come on. 3 hundos. These weren't evals. I probably wouldn't be taking trades back to back like this, but funded accounts, one or two a day, sometimes 3 or 4. Doing well. Trades are good today. Nah, they're okay. I've had better days, but I'm not complaining. God's blessed me for sure. Very satisfied. Especially being that we're at the last couple hours of the market for the day. I'm worried it's going to start slowing down pretty quickly, so I want to get what I can out of it as soon as I can and then move on with my day. Hopefully your P&L is looking great, Mr. Neil. Can we squeeze up any more, you guys? What do you think? It's not looking too good or too promising, is it? Kind of slowing down here. I tried to capture that 90 in profit, but I couldn't get it. Get a little more granular on the stretch here. Come on, Nasdaq. Give me my money. All right. We're out. I wasn't too sure about that trade anymore, so I mean, I feel like we can go up higher, but we got to come down a little more first. I feel like we're reaching a barcode session here. Good barcode and then tank. But man, does the 4 hour look good. The only PA I haven't touched is the one up here, and I need to decide what I'm doing. I may not trade it. I did pretty well on the London exchange. Also, I did 20 points on pre-market before New York session. Heck yeah, man. I YOLO'd an account this morning, an Apex 150K. And I lost 5,025. I was just trying to goof off. Shouldn't have done it. But I've got 100 Apex accounts, so it's not a big deal. I just wanted to pass it fast, and if it could go that direction. Sometimes I do that. I'm glad you did well. Sales are coming. Yeah, I think so too, man. That's why I'm holding off. We are overextended in the long direction. We'll see, though. It could continue like this the whole day, or the rest of the day, which is 3 hours. Did any of you in my Discord catch this trade? Hang on, let me pull it up. Did anyone catch this trade? I don't post in my Discord a lot with like alerts or anything like that, but I wouldn't consider this an alert, but more so an idea. However, as you can see, it played out pretty nicely. Here's that, and look at that. I caught quite a bit. I made $1,500, got in a little early, about, I don't remember where, but let me just check. I got a screenshot of it. I got in at 22,704, and that means, let's see, 22, about right there. I feel like I got in sooner than that. Oh, that was just one of my... Anyway, 22,704. Caught it just before the close of that last candle, and man, it was a good move. Very good move. And we were still up if you would have stayed in, if you could. It is easy to get bad habit, and it is very difficult to get rid of it. I treat everything like real money with the same trading style. I try to avoid picking up any bad habit following trading plan. I get it, man. I've been doing it for quite a while, so trading a little bit reckless on my evals. I assume that's what you're talking about. But yeah, it's not a good thing for everyone. As you can see, I have a PA account up here. Well, I haven't put it on here yet, but I'm trading my PA account next, and I haven't gotten in a trade yet because it's a PA account. I want to be a little cautious here. Maybe we come down here. Let's see. Looks like it. I'm take a short position just for a few points here. Not looking for much. If it gives it to us. 5-minute candle closes in 10 seconds. So most of the volatility is going to be right there at the last little bit. And that candle's pretty strong, so. Come on back down. Take it to break even. Where's my keyboard? Nice. Made $110 on that. I like to make $250 a day on each of my PAs. Should be buying these pullbacks, right? Nah, we're overextended in my opinion. Typically, yeah, when you're down into this range, but I feel like we're gonna have a more of a 20-30 point pullback at some point, and I don't know. Look at this, man. This is the 30-minute chart. We are super extended. The 4-hour. Got to come down at some point. At least I thought so, but we'll see how it goes. I'll be sticking around for a few more minutes here, and we'll see how this plays out. Pullback. You can sell into the pullback as well. I do both. Do I have any more PAs? Yeah. Another thing is that doji candle here, man, with the long wick. I mean, good sign we're coming down, at least for a moment. I bet we come down at least half of this candle here. Or more. The 30-minute, or sorry, the 4-hour, that's the wrong chart. 30-minute has 12 minutes left. Starting to see lower volume. Should be buying. NQ wants 23,350. Will we get there today or another? 23,350. That's 350 points away, man. I'd say give it a few days if it does want to go that way. I feel like the volume is super slow right now. Still got 2 hours and 55 minutes until market close. So far, we're up 2384. 2,384. Thinking about just calling it a day. All of my fundeds are in the green. I still have a couple that I need to trade, but I may not. What's the point? I feel like volume is too low right now. Yeah, it's way too low. What do you think, Cave? Will it pick back up? Wish it would. Not ready to stop just yet. I say we push higher. Yeah, I think we might, but jeez. How long is it going to take for us to get that? News is already out. There's nothing else for the day. What's your EMAs? The green one here is the 9 EMA, and this is the 21, and the thin green one is the VWAP. Lost Pennies, I like your username. Frog for a profile pic too. That's cool. Cave, I hate to say it, man, but I think volume is out for the day. Everyone got their stuff in pre-market like I did, most of it. Ninja is not even running. Alright guys, I'm headed out. I'm gonna call it. Today we made 2,384. Traded for not even 2 hours. Pretty good day. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thanks for popping in and supporting the channel. Thank you for commenting and the conversation. Hope you have a good day. Be blessed, and don't forget to thank Yeshua. Peace.